we are going to enumerate and recon. Okay, so we will use the different types of tools in this lab. The first thing I want to show you is the Nmap. So Nmap is the go-to tool for mapping, analyzing network essentials, the reconnaissance, and the ethical hackers, or any network administrator, any system administrator. That will help a lot. The first thing I will do an Nmap and the IP address 0/24. And if you don't know what is 24, there are like a tons of tools for subnetting, so you can go ahead and check that. If you see like 24 here, so that means it is class C IP address. Go ahead and check the IP subnetting mask class, so that will help you to get information. They're like a class level of the IP address, so you have to make sure that you are aware of this IP address. There are like tons of information over the internet. You can go ahead and check that. Even though if you want to check the video out, you can always check and come back. Okay, the other information I want to share with you is, if this video is a little bit slow for you, you can always speed up, play later on. So it's up to you. So I will leave up to you. So either you need fast or you need slow, or anything you want to like. And then so this is our network, because usually in the real world, if there's something you are trying to enumerate or scan, or trying to do the reconnaissance or whatever the case may be, right? So the first thing is Nmaps, right? So the Nmap is the tools by default. In the Kali you will find it, and once you do that and hit enter, it will start scanning. So let's wait for the result. And if you see a little bit here, 192.168.35.1, so this is our default IP, and this is also our default IP. So this is our local computer IP address, and we can skip this. And if you come here, this is the 35.99 is the one IP here, and 102, 104, and 254, so 144. So we are trying to utilize this IP and this IP and this IP. So this is the domain, because if you see right here, LDAP right here, 389 port, and if you also see right here 445 and port 8053 is a domain. So just make sure that, okay. Let's scroll a little bit further down, and if you see right here, these are the client, and if you see 104, and this is also client. So the other thing what we can try is, so remember that you need to make sure that you have cherry tree open. Okay, so because everything, whatever you find it, you will put in the cherry tree, so for the document purpose. So remember, we create the Active Directory here, and you can create the Nmap here, and Nmap will be one of our go-to, and whatever we find is we'll put here from 99, because I will skip other one because I know that, and copy it and paste it. If you want to use more specific, and then you can screenshot as well. The other one I am going to show you is Nmap, and the lowercase s, uppercase C, and space dash lowercase s, uppercase V, and the IP. .24. So you can hit enter as well. SC is this is the default script. So if you see right here, if you put the switch Nmap located, so that will use the default script. And then SC will be the scan the version of the any computers or any servers. So once you hit enter, and it will start scanning. So let's go ahead and check more things. Okay, so let's scroll up, and now we have our IP address. As long as we know the IP address, our target machine, so that will help you to get the information what you're actually looking for. While you're trying to do pin test, there will be like certain time just make sure that you have enough time and resources to accomplish that task or project. That's why I just want to narrow down to the IP address. Whatever IP address we needed, we'll just document, and then we will escalate that as much as possible. And then if you see right here, since we know this is the domain controller and this is the potentially risks, and then the 139, 135, 189, and then if you see right here the Active Directory LDAP, and we will utilize the 445 as well. So if you see, this is the vulnerable as well, Windows Server 2022, and a lot of things you can see it here. And so if you scroll a little bit further down, you will see the lot of information, RDP, NTLM info, target name will be lab, and then the net bias and DC, so on. This is fully qualified domain name if you see it. And then if you see, let's go a little further down, let's go to 102, and 102 is Windows 10. We'll come back and revisit that as well. And then let's go further down. So if you see Windows 10 Pro, and then this is the domain machine. As long as we have all those information and then what's our target, so we can escalate that as much as possible. So the other one I want to show you is, I mean, there's a lot of way, right? So you can, if you don't want to put that information to the Nmap section where you are documenting, you can always do this, all right? And then you can put the name. Let's say, for example, Nmap enum.text, and then once you do that, it will automatically save as this name, and then put all this information to this text file. So, and that will help you to not going back and forth, check the notes and so on, right? So that will help you. And then the other one I want to show you is the script. So let me cancel here and paste it. So this is the Nmap again. So, and then we are calling the script smb2-security model, and then this is the script we are calling by default from the Nmap. And then you remember, this is the port that we have here in our network, which is open. We can target it here. If you want to say, for example, if you want to use 99, you can use that as well. So, and then export to the DC02 Nmap and text. So you can export that as well. So if you see right here, it is exported already. If we do the cat and DC202,